รอบไปดันเน็ตมันจะเต็มจำเนียงตามอินเทอร์เน็ตพญาซาเริ่มมาประปอมสับสายสังคมนี้แต่เนี่ยมันจะบารมเตถาเมนเอาไว้กำปองการล้างในปีกร้อยดันนอกมาประปอมต่างหนูไอ้ดำนาการบานเอาไว้ได้กำปองการล้างให้กำปองทัวการยางสักกั้มเลยปีกร้อยนู้คือ API หรือ Application Programming Interface ต่อมักสควอตปี API ต่างออกเนี่ย API ไอ้ในใจบรรทาจินเนี่ยนอมซาในอ้างในงานไอคอมโพเนนต์ในซอฟต์แวร์ปีได้ดีหลายบิคนี้อาจจะต่อคดีตัวเป็นตัวบอกบาน process ในเว็บ API หรือ Score ทาจิ REST API โดยอ้างในวัตตามจำเพียงต่างบุญนี้มวย request ใครอ้าง request จากการ endpoint เจ๊และมวยให้ request นี้จะพยายามตามอินเทอร์เน็ตโดยปรา standard protocol หรือ HTTP รวมมีน URL จะ endpoint ในกำหนด resource ในคลาสจังอินเทอร์เน็ตจมวย method คือจะ HTTP ได้เป็นเจ้าพิสกรรมเพียบอุทหรณ์ get สำหรับเตียงยกตัวไหนpost สำหรับบังคับตัวไหนทำไม delete สำหรับลบตัวไหน header คือจิปว่าเราไม่นำไป request ខ្លួនឯងโดยจะการเตรียมตัว notification ដើម្បីបញ្ជាក់អត្តសញ្ញាណរបស់ client ជាដើមនិងបាក់នេះគឺជាตัวไหนដែលត្រូវផ្ញើទៅកាន់ server 2 processing API ទទួល request វាអនុវត្តជំហានសំខាន់ៗមួយចំនួនដូចជា authentication and validation ដំបូង API ពិនិត្យមើល API key ឬ token ដែលផ្ទៀងផ្ទាត់ credential របស់ client ដើម្បីធានាពួកគេមាន permission ត្រឹមត្រូវ internal call បន្ទាប់មក server ចាប់ផ្ដើម execute business logic ដែលអាចពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹង query database running complete calculation ឬ communicate ជាមួយ internal system ផ្សេងទៀត 3. response នៅពេលដែល server បានដំណើរការ request នោះវាបង្កើត response ដើម្បីផ្ញើទៅកាន់ client វិញ status code គឺជា code HTTP 3 ខ្ទង់ដែលបង្ហាញពីលទ្ធផលឧទាហរណ៍200បញ្ជាក់ថាជោគជ័យ404រកមិនឃើញ resource និង401 unauthorized បាក់នេះគឺជាខ្លឹមសារសំខាន់ឬជាទិន្នន័យដែលបានស្នើសុំក្នុងទម្រង់ជា JSON ឬ XML 4. Client action Client ទទួលយក response វាអាន status code ដើម្បីកំណត់ request នោះជោគជ័យឬអត់បន្ទាប់មកបង្ហាញទិន្នន័យនៅក្នុង body ទៅកាន់ user បាននិយាយស្រួលយល់យើងនិយាយអំពីភោជនីយដ្ឋានមួយចោះដែលយើងជាភ្ញៀវឬបានដូចជា client ហើយយើងចង់កំងម្ហូបអាហារការកំងនោះប្រៀបបានដូចជា request ហើយអ្នកទទួលការកំងពីយើងនោះជា API ដែលមានតួនាទីទទួលការកំងរបស់យើងហើយទៅប្រាប់ចុងភៅនិងនាំមកវិញនៅអាហារដែលចុងភៅធ្វើហើយចុងភៅប្រៀបបានដូចជា server ប៉ុន្តែសម្រាប់ developer ការបង្កើតនិងតេ API តែងតែជួបផលលំបាកធូរសម្រាប់តេ API ដែលមានសពថ្ងៃភាគច្រើនមាន UI ស្មុគស្មាញមាន function ច្រើនដែលមិនចាំបាច់ដែលធ្វើឲ្យការតេ API មានភាពយឺតយ៉ាវដោយមើលឃើញពីបញ្ហាទាំងនេះហើយទើបពួកយើងបង្កើត REST Lab ជា platform សម្រាប់ធ្វើការតេ API ចំនួនថ្មីដែលបង្កើតឡើងដើម្បីឲ្យ developer កាន់តែមានភាពងាយស្រួលដើម្បីចូលប្រើប្រាស់ platform របស់ពួកយើងបានអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាគ្រាន់តែចុចពី Get Start នោះវានឹងនាំអ្នកទៅផ្ទាំងបំពេញព័ត៌មានមួយចំនួនឬអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាច sign up ដោយប្រើ GitHub ឬ Google ក៏បានវានឹងបង្ហាញផ្ទាំង Personal Lab និង Team Labដើម្បីតែ endpoint បាន user គ្រាន់តែដាក់ HTTP របស់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចុចពីថា send នោះវានឹងបង្ហាញលទ្ធផលប្រាប់យើងក៏មាន feature mock data ចុចពីថា mock data ហើយចុច generate នោះវានឹង generate ព័ត៌មានឲ្យយើងភ្លាមមួយវិញទៀត platform របស់ពួកយើងក៏អាចឲ្យ user ធ្វើការជា team បានផងដែរវាអនុញ្ញាតឲ្យ user invite member ក៏ដូចជាបង្កើត collection ថ្មីអ្វីដែលពិសេសនៅពេលដែល user ណាម្នាក់បង្កើត folder ថ្មីឬធ្វើការតេ endpoint ផ្សេងៗគ្រប់ member ទាំងអស់នឹងទទួលបានព័ត៌មាននោះដូចគ្នាជាមួយ REST Lab ការធ្វើតេ API កាន់តែលឿននិងមានប្រសិទ្ធភាព